Essential accessories for your iPad for that desktop experience. First in our list is the Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard is backlit, it is very responsive, and doesn't require any battery. You can also charge your iPad through the Magic Keyboard. Next is a Bluetooth mouse. Although the Magic Keyboard has a built-in trackpad, nothing beats the comfort of working on a computer using a mouse. For best user experience, I recommend the Magic Mouse. Next is the Apple Pencil. Now, depending on your needs and lifestyle, this might be optional for some users. But for me, on a personal and professional level, this is an essential tool in my line of work. For entertainment purposes, I also use an AirPod when watching videos, listening to music, or engaged in a FaceTime call. I also use a 2-meter USB-C charging cable to give me flexibility when working in different areas wherein a charging station is a bit far. As mentioned earlier, I can charge my iPad through the Magic Keyboard by connecting the charging cable to the USB port on the left hinge of the Magic Keyboard. By charging the iPad through the Magic Keyboard, the iPad's USB-C port is still available for other accessories such as an external hard disk or flash drive. Speaking of flash drive, I recommend to use a flash drive that has dual ports in order to use it directly to an iPad or another computer without the need of an adapter. Now I will demonstrate how I can play a video directly from a flash drive while keeping the iPad charged through the Magic Keyboard. I use the Documents app by Riddle to play MKV files that are stored in my USB flash drive because of its feature to load any embedded subtitles to the movie that I am watching. As always, to ensure no files are damaged when you are done using the flash drive, be sure to close all applications that might be scanning the external drive, or in this case, the flash drive. Once the applications are closed, it is now safe to remove the flash drive. Another essential accessory is a Bluetooth speaker in case you want good quality sound without using an earphone. Note that the iPad's speakers are acceptable, but Bluetooth speakers such as this one has a better bass response.